Fabric app: the pros, the cons. Fabric is an app designed to simplify life insurance and financial planning for families. But does it deliver? The biggest advantage is simplicity. Fabric allows users to compare term life insurance policies, set up wills, and create a family emergency plan all in one app. For example, a parent can secure life coverage and draft a basic will in under 20 minutes. The app is also user-friendly, with educational resources and clear instructions. It offers affordability by connecting users with competitive term life policies. However, Fabric has limitations. It focuses mainly on term life insurance and basic estate planning, so more complex financial needs aren't covered. Some users may also find the design too minimalist for advanced planning. In conclusion, Fabric is perfect for families looking for simple, fast life insurance and basic planning tools. It's intuitive, convenient, and affordable, but not a full-service financial platform.